Did you know jeans can make a flat butt look rounder? In this video we'll give you the best jeans to make your bum look good. Jeans designed with sculpting and/or lifting technology. This technology has been found to work wonders for flattering the bum. That's because they make the butts look rounder and perkier. These are some good examples of these jeans. You can find their links in the description. Wear jeans that have high placement pockets. When shopping for jeans, pay closer attention to the types of pockets that are on jeans. A good rule of thumb is to seek out back pockets that sit a bit higher up on the body. This means avoiding low placement pockets. Pockets and their placement of them play a huge role in how flattering jeans are going to be on the bum. I suggest avoiding jeans that have no back pockets unless you have a curvy bum. Just know, when the pockets are perfectly scaled to your shape, they will lift and enhance your natural curves, making your bum look great. Wear high-waist jeans. High-waist jeans offer a lot of figure flattery benefits. High-waist jeans help to give the illusion of an hourglass figure because the rises denim sits higher up on the body, thus giving your bum a perkier appearance. Wear a great pair of stretchy skinny jeans. Skinny jeans make your bum look bigger because of the way they fit close to the body. It's important to opt for a pair of skinny jeans that have some stretch to them. The stretch not only makes them more comfortable to wear, but also helps to hug the body and your natural curves. A yoke is a critical detail in making your butt look good. Therefore, it's important to pay close attention to where it sits on your body and its appearance of it. So keep in mind that when choosing jeans to enhance your booty, you need to consider a few things beforehand. But, what's a yoke? Yoke of the jeans is the horizontal line that runs above the pockets and below the waistband. The yoke should be V or heart-shaped, which helps give that butt-enhancing effect. The deeper V shape helps to accentuate the natural curves of the bum area of the body, giving your bum major enhancement. Lastly, stay away from baggy, oversized jeans. While you can wear any style of denim you want, it's best to choose one that hugs your curves if you want to accentuate your butt. I would stay away from baggy, oversized jeans because this is going to blend your behind in with your legs and give little to no definition to that butt.
If the video is helpful, be sure to like and subscribe.